everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will talk about self-love. So one of the things that we all struggle with in our life is to understand how important is our own presence in our lives, how we take care of ourselves, how much of respect and how much of attention are we giving to ourselves, and how it affects the way we connect with other people as well. So sometimes in life, what happens is that we forget that we need to have a connection, certain amount of a connection with ourselves, so that when we interact with people, we don't feel something empty in ourselves and we connect with people better. So even in terms of in the times of preparation as well, we always have this attitude of comparing with other people, especially when you are in coaching environments or you are in environments, whether you are in a job, you are always comparing with the people around you, maybe your co-workers, your peers, who, yes, this even strangers who you come across in life. But then what happens is that when you compare your life with them, you are always in a state of imbalance, and you will feel that there is something incomplete in your life because you're seeing there are a lot of things in their life which are aspirational, and you will feel that you don't have that in your life, and that sort of a comparison never ends. And also what happens is that you forget to listen to your own heart. For example, UPSC has a very long cycle, and sometimes when we decide for ourselves that we will attempt this particular exam only a particular number of times or a certain number of years that we will dedicate to this particular exam. But then also what happens is that when you get influenced by other people, when you look at other people preparing again and again, you'll feel like, oh, I will also go and do the same thing. And it's not a bad thing that you are reappearing, but then if you're not listening to your heart or your inner calling, which is very different from what others will have, that is where it is going to be troublesome. Because at the end of the day, if you don't listen to your heart, you will always feel that sort of a inconvenience, you will feel that sort of a comparison and a selfless a low self-esteem feeling, which is not going to help you in the long term. So that's why you should start recognizing the inner self in you, the inherent qualities, the personality that you have as an individual, and how it can be tweaked in a way that even in an ecosystem when there is no acceptance for your personality, you respect yourself and you give enough number of opportunities for you to prove yourself in that context. So I think small and big things that you take in life, the initiatives that you take in life, will influence such decisions. For example, as I told you before as well, we talked about confidence and how a certain discipline actions can help us lead to that confidence. So if you're making certain decisions, if you're deciding to wake up in a certain time, or you're deciding to do certain things in a particular day, and if that decision doesn't work out, that will create sort of a diffidence in yourself that whatever decisions you make are not important, and you're not able to actually prove what you've decided for yourself, etc. So from very small actions, from very small decisions, whatever you decide, try to implement it so that ultimately you feel that sense of a confidence, you will feel that sense of a understanding with yourself that you are a valuable person, you are a unique individual in this world, and that you have a role to play here, and not that it is not in comparison to anyone else, but to your own self, that whatever decisions you make are important and is going to lead you to your destination, which is very different from others. So this sort of an understanding, I think, will really help you. This is something that really helped me as well. And the concept of self-love is always the beginning of loving other people and being a comprehensive individual in a social ecosystem as well. So as always in my book Defeat Discoveries, I have spoken about self-love and being unapologetically yourself a number of times. And I really hope that this particular book is going to give you that sense of a daily inspiration and confidence to move ahead in life, in small and big lessons from life which you need to implement to make that particular big difference in life. So I will add the link of the book in the description box. You can definitely check it out. Apart from this, if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. So I hope you're doing great. Until the next video, it's a goodbye from me. Thank you.